Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Pillars of Fortune with friends. Start by learning core objectives, choose a scenario, and agree on a cooperative strategy before setup. I recommend assigning one player to track resources and another to manage movement to keep turns efficient and fun. Gather your group and lay out the board so everyone sees it clearly, then assemble components and read the scenario brief aloud. Use a quick checklist: board, characters, tokens, and objectives, and confirm each player understands their starting abilities before the first turn begins. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more board game content. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers to carry snacks, dice, and small game bits without spills, which keeps game night tidy and stress-free. They make setup and cleanup faster, and they fit neatly in most backpacks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and then now let's get back to the video. During rounds, discuss plans and coordinate actions to repair pillars, gather resources, and repel threats together. Prioritize objectives that unlock bonuses and keep one player ready to react to sudden events. Maintain a steady pace and celebrate small victories to keep the mood upbeat and cooperative.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.